Hey there, welcome to Foothill College's Student Health Center. We provide a variety of general medical services for your benefit. As a Foothill student, most services are included in your student health fee and thus are free, while others are available at low costs. Services we offer include basic assessments, evaluation, treatment, and prescriptions for minor episodic illnesses and injuries, as well as physical exams for allied health and international and transfer students. These physical exams include hearing and vision exams. Immunizations, pregnancy testing, along with emergency contraception, condoms, smoking cessation support, and referral to specialty care are other services we offer. We supply basic first aid, band-aids, ice packs, and other over-the-counter self-care like Motrin, cold and flu, and allergy medication for no cost. Please note that while the Health Center offers many services, your student health fee does not cover hospital care, emergency transportation, or referrals to specialists, dental, and vision exams for glasses and contacts. For these reasons, we strongly recommend you obtain supplemental health insurance. Office visits and telemedicine are free of charge. However, additional costs may be incurred for specific services. Appointments can be online or in person depending on the reason for your visit. To schedule an appointment, please visit foothill.edu/healthservices/appointment.html and click on Make an Appointment. If you'd like to learn more about Foothill College's Student Health Center and the services available, please visit foothill.edu/healthservices. Thanks for visiting.